ASUS MB168B 15.6 WXGA 1366x768 USB portable monitor black silver. 15.6-inch HD portable USB-powered monitor with a single USB 3.0 cable for power and data transmission. World's slimmest and lightest USB monitor with a sleek and metallic finish.It needs just one USB cable for both its video signal and power to deliver up to a full HD resolution. Auto-rotating display bundled with the ASUS Smart Case, a two-way adjustable stand and protective sleeve. ASUS Rapid Replacement, 3 years warranty, two-way free shipping. Never try to open this USB monitor cabinet. Blue light filter. Blue light filter minimizes blue light to reduce eye strain. Please refer the user manual before use. Adjust the brightness settings via OSD. Install DisplayLink drivers, if required, to work out of the box. Minimum system requirement: Windows 7 with 1.4 GHz Core 2 Duo, 1 GB RAM, Mac OS X 10.8.3, not compatible with MacBook and MacBook Pro. Recommended requirement: Windows 7 with 2.4 GHz Core 2 Duo or above, 2 GB RAM. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.